In the first episode of Spending My Match Betting Profits, I share with you how I spent £9,550 of the £27,000 I earned from match betting, leaving us with a total of £17,450. In this week's episode, I'm showing you how I've spent a further £8,000, which will in time turn into £80,000 completely tax-free. Hey, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, my name's Chris, and on here I love talking about how to make money online and how to be smarter with your money. Before we get into this video, if you're not joined up to the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group, please do so by checking out the link down in the description. But having said that, getting into episode 2, this video is going to show you how I'm now being much smarter with my match betting profits and investing it to grow that money over the long term. As you saw in the first video, that was just a case of me enjoying the money, spending money, and I had absolutely no focus on growing my wealth at all. Getting wealthy and building your wealth doesn't just happen by accident. You actually have to plan these things and then work extremely hard and stay focused on that plan in order to succeed with it. Looking at the figures that we took from the last video then, when we took £27,000 and minus the £9,550 that I spent on enjoyment, that left us with £17,450, and today we're showing how I've minused another £8,000 from that, which has gone into my lifetime ISA account. That leaves us with £9,450 in the match betting profit part. I have already explained what a lifetime ISA is, so if you're interested in learning more about it, you can check out this video. But on here, I'll just quickly show you on the laptop where that money has been placed. So in my Hargreaves Lansdowne account then, as you can see, lifetime ISA, and the actual balance is 9,270 because 8,000 of that was from the match betting profits, 1,000 has been added in there from the government bonus, and in the next week or two, I should then receive another £1,000 from the government, completely tax-free. As you can see, that's in a Vanguard FTSE 100 index tracker, and that's in an accumulation fund. So that any money, any income from that is just reinvested back in there, earning you money from your money. Now you might be wondering, how is that going to turn into £80,000 tax-free? Well, if we jump onto my favorite website here, the compound interest calculator, I've already filled all this out. So I've put initial deposit, that's of course the £10,000 there. Interest rate of 8% yearly as a growth there, which I'm sure many of you will agree is a conservative number. That's not overdoing it too much or at all, actually. 8% is a very good number there to assume as a yearly growth. Then if we take 27 years of growth, so I'm currently about to turn 33, so of course 27 years time, I will be 60, which is when you can withdraw the lifetime ISA money there. So if I don't add any more money to this, which I do intend to going forward, adding £4,000 of my own money and then £1,000 from the government each year, but just taking this £10,000 that will be in there, 8 from myself, 2,000 from the government, in 27 years time, that will build and build up to, and then you press calculate, and it shows that it will be worth just shy of £80,000 in 27 years. These calculation projections are really cool to look at. If we look at the balance here for year 7, so that would be my 40th birthday to being 41, you can see how it would grow by £1,400 in that year. Then if you go to the year 17 here, so by the time I'm at my 50th birthday, from 50 to 51, it will actually grow by a further £3,000 there, from 37 grand to just shy of 40,000. And then if you look at the final years here, so from my 59th birthday to my 60th birthday, in that single year, it's going to go from around 74,000 to just shy of £80,000. So £6,000 in that final year there from 59 to 60. Just try and get your head around that. £6,000 that I will earn in a year doing nothing from money that I've put in this past few weeks. This is the power of learning a skill, because of course match betting is a skill that you do need to learn. If you've not started match betting yet and you want to get started, do check out the Profit Boss website, link in the description of course. But I started learning that skill. I then put effort into making money from that skill and have now placed that money into a responsible wealth building vehicle that's going to just grow and grow that money further each and every year. Please do comment below with what you're spending your match betting profits on. I do find that people in the match betting community are very comfortable with talking about money. And if you're a subscriber of the channel, I'm assuming that you'll be comfortable talking about money as well. I think money should be an open subject that you can discuss without feeling bad about it, and share what money you have and talk about how you're spending that money. It's not something that you should be hidden and in shame. Even if you're in debt, I think you should talk about it, because then people can help you get out of that debt and so on. Episode 3 of Spending My Match Betting Profits will be up next Monday at 10 p.m. So of course, get subscribed to the channel if you're interested in following along with this journey of spending the money. If you've enjoyed this video, please do take the time to press the like button before you click off. And until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.